today I'm going to be doing a video on little toys. But these toys are going to be kind of different this time. They're going to be, give the dog a treat, on Lily. They're going to be Lily's toys. So basically, today's going to be Lily's reviews. Okay, let's get started. Let me put the toy box over where you kind of can't see it over here. It's also good, so no one leaves. Let me just put my remote up here too. Okay. So the first toy we're gonna get started with is this toy, a banana. Like it? Yeah, maybe we're thinking about it. Lily, come on. Ready? Three, two, one. Okay, I'll show you our next toy and then I'll go. So this is our next toy. Okay, I'll be right back really quick. Okay, sit down, drop, good dog. So I think Lily gives us about a 3, maybe 3. Okay, let's put it up here, say done. Okay, let me grab the next toy. Okay, we have our next toy. Look where you can see it. This is like a fish kind of thing. You know, it's a fish. So yeah, let's get started with the fish. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. It's got these like fling things and let's go see that. Doo-doo, doo. So, I think this toy, 3.5, 3 minutes 3. Ready, set, go. Yeah, still a 3. Sorry, bro. Doo-doo, 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 doo. I don't have the toy. She thinks I still have the toy. See, no toy. Lily, look. Toy, the toy. Come on, the toy. Oh. Well, yeah. 3, 2.5, pretty much. It's okay. We've done that toy. Next, for kind of Easter, this really cute toy. It's like a tug-of-war toy. Oh, look, she's already ripped us, not the best quality. Come here, look. Jump for the fans. Ready, Lily? 3, 2, 1. Do a jump for the fans. Okay, so she's into this toy a lot, as you can see. Good dog. Okay, so I see we give that a 4.5. A 4.5? Yes, a 4.5. Yes, little, yesy. Ugh. Okay, next toy. This one has, let's count how many squeakers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. The 10th one doesn't work. 11, and the 12th one doesn't work. So, 12 squeakers. Oh, we like that one too. Let's see, she's gonna play with it by herself. Come, let's go. Go get it. Come on, let's go down. Let's go. Come on. Come here. Come on, little. Come here. Come on, let's go. Come on, little, let's go. Let's go. Good dog. So, 8.5 maybe. That's what I say. Lily. Good dog. Good dog. Sit. Oh, you guys can't see this. Drop. Good dog. Okay. We have our maybe final? Yeah. This is, from what I know, one of Lily's favorite toys, I think. Lily, no. Stop. She's going like this. Okay, you have this. Hold on. Ugh. Sit down. Good dog. So, this toy, it squeaks, right? It doesn't squeak anymore, and it has these like, what's a, shh, don't tell her, but guess what? I have a treat. Ready, Lil? Do, 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 do. She likes this one. Look, she just. Oh, no, you don't want to. You don't want to. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Oh, she just fell on the floor like, oof. Let's see. Look. Can you see her? There we go. Are you being filmed, Lou? Are you being filmed? If you have a dog at home, I'm going to recommend one of these toys to you. If I remember right, get it after this virus is over, or online maybe. Get it. This is the best toy. Lily thought. Do you have time for one more? Let's see if we got one more. It's an animal. Oh yeah, we do. But we'll leave it for part two because I'm gonna have a little bit of talking to do. Okay. Oh, you just gotta see this. I think someone's tired after this long day. Oop, get the banana out of the way. I don't know if you guys feel that heat, but well, you're on my radiator. It's hot in here. Because the radiator, I was standing right by the radiator and it's giving a lot of heat. So, well, one of the best toys Lily thought, and she hasn't destroyed yet because of its, if you guys could feel this, it's like a kind of rubbery, but not rubbery, like a leather kind of bottom, but not leather. So, it's called a Soft Seas Turtle. Large, for large dog. Lily's kind of medium dog, but you know, we're gonna kind of just say choose a large dog. And it's very good quality. It's soft too. Even I like to hug it when she doesn't touch it. Yep, let's just keep that away a bit. Hi, I'm Turtle. Do do do. Ah, do. Ah. Okay, well, get this toy. I got it at Pet Plus, I think. You should be able to find it on Amazon probably. It's a dog toy of a sea turtle. Okay, very good quality. I think that's Lily's favorite. Well, let's give her a treat and then we're gonna say bye. Lily wants a treat. Come here. Come here for the treat. No, Lily wants a treat. Come. Do you not want to give her a treat? Let's see. Come on, let's see if we can give her a treat, guys. Let's go. Let's see if we can. Oh, look how cute. You're such a good dog, Lily. So, these are all the toys we reviewed. Bye-bye. So, that's the best one for our time. Second best one, this fish probably. Same place. It's Kong Company. Same place. Pet Plus. Should be able to find them on Amazon or something like that. Well, that's it for today. And oh, sorry. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. And subscribe to my channel. Also, send me a comment on a question you have. It could be a question, a statement, whatever. Or just no mean statements, you know. Like, you're a unicorn. Or, do you need a glass of milk? I just made up the unicorn then, but the glass of milk thing. We don't want to say. We just want to maybe ask questions, compliments, things to Lily. She would like something. Send her actually. Yeah, send her Lily a comment. Okay, guys. Well, hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Wait. Bye.